some minute. Told your mama you were gonna see better days. I'm in the studio working every day.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Angie. Back with another mukbang. It's a Pizza Hut mukbang again, but this time it's the Pizza Hut spicy wing mukbang challenge. See who can eat the most spicy hot wings. Okay. Yeah. I'm supposed to buy someone open. Give me a pepperoni. This sausage. Yeah, I had a good day. Good dog work not too long ago. Took a shower. So if you see my hair dripping, I just got the shower. I had a pretty good day. Wasn't no excitement. No excitement happened today. Most thing I did was go washing. When I was at work, I was washing. Went to the laundromat 3 times though. Went there, put his clothes in the washing machine, took his clothes out, left with the clothes, came back with the clothes, dried the clothes, took them clothes out, came back by about 2:30, dried the other clothes, and then, so Ryan man walked in. He had me cracking up. Now, it's a big old box in the laundry room, laundromat. It's like soap center, and it got big red buttons on it. And it's like Tide, trash bags, bleach.
You never eat no hot ones.
I'm about to eat some. And he said, he told me, he said, excuse me. I was like, He said, is this an ATM machine? I looked at him and I just started cracking up. I mean, I was rolling. He said, is it an ATM machine? I said, no. He said, why are you laughing? I was laughing so hard. I said, that's a soap machine. That's not an ATM machine. No. Oh, my nose. Whew. How many you ate already?
Like 4.
4. I'm gonna let you out there move. Ooh. What?
I'm a G at this.
I'm a G too.
You can't drink nothing.
I can't do nothing?
Nope. You gotta tap out.
That ain't fair.
You gotta tap out.
You really tap out.
If you drink, you lose. I'm almost done.
I can't even do like this, like.
Nope. You gonna lose.
Can I do this?
Mama, you lost.
I ain't even drink none.
Yeah, stop playing. You playing. And you gotta dip your pizza in there.
Nah, I ain't got to get my pizza in there. You said wing challenge. All right, come on. No. My nose running.
It's hot and good.
That's good.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm thirsty though. But I could
Go ahead and drink.
I'm gonna lose.
Ooh. Ooh.
Don't kill yourself now trying to do
You
that.
gotta be sweating. Ooh. Ooh.
See me, I'm dipping in my pizza.
You know what I mean? I'm ready to dip my lips in this cup. Like, brrrr. I'm a G, though. I'm a soldier. Ooh.
Let me get this one right here.
But yeah, he ever let an ATM machine. I was cracking up. I kept laughing so much. I had him laughing. Tomorrow I'm not doing a mukbang. I'm gonna do a mukbang. I gave mukbang, but I'm gonna do a
Oh, we is going down there tomorrow.
I'm gonna cause I'm out tomorrow. I'm gonna ooh, hot. I'm the fan. Open up the window. It's so hot. I forgot what I was talking about. Oh yeah, I'm going to tomorrow. I'm gonna cook something. I'm gonna show it on here how I cook it. Ooh, my lips is burning.
You better drink something.
Blow on them.
Stop, mama.
Blow on my lips.
No. You better drink that stuff. It's cold. It's nice and cold. It's nice and cold.
Let's drink it together.
All right. I'm not feeling burnt. I'm just thirsty. I just wait here and sit. You ain't no G. Dipping in there, yeah.
I'm an OG stack of dollar. Well, what?
You fucked up. Go ahead and drink some. Drink some. That shit gonna make it worse. Watch. Yeah.
You got my ear. My ear.
Shit.
Funny.
You know what? You gonna win?
I got you.
I'm just thirsty. I ain't hot. You know what? You won.
I just got too bad. Ooh. My eyes watering.
Go ahead and drink now.
Now I'm a soldier.
I'm just thirsty.
Woo. Woo.
Your ass gonna be burning tonight.
I'm working a lot. I'm gonna have me a couple.
All right. You know what I'm saying? Your ass over there spitting.
I'm gonna have me a couple. Wipe my face off.
Wipe it off.
I'm gonna have me a couple cocktails. Yeah. Some cocktails after this tonight. No.
Nah, you just wipe it. I'm gonna wipe that motherfucker.
I got it. My forehead sweating. That's all.
I got you. I got your forehead.
No, you'll smack that
I'm
too.
right. I promise.
You smacking. You spitting on me.
Who?
You.
What was it?
Yes, you. I know somebody spitting on me.
That's
Just
what.
like you know when I was spitting, you was spitting. It was. All right, one more thing more down. Y'all, this is hot. It was good. Very hot. It was the hottest they got. We love Pizza Hut, though. We love some Pizza Hut. I dipped it.
Your first time. It's like my 100 times.
Ooh, hot. Hot, Lord. Oh, hot, y'all. Ooh, my face burning. All around here. I think more to go. I'm a champ, though. Dipped it. Please. Come on. I'm gonna get ready. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. sorry.
Now it's good to me now. It's good to me now.
I know it is. Let's bring all the snot out of it. Anything you got in you, bring them out. Oh, Lord. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oh!
Oh.
Don't stop. I need to toothpick. Woohoo! Hot.
I got one more to go, y'all.
Me too. Ooh. It's getting to my eyes. It's like my eye burning. Coming out my pores. Yeah,
it keeps swallowing down the wrong hole.
Ooh.
My head itch.
Hot.
We get like 3 more. Drink something.
Nope.
I'm gonna just say cranberry juice. See this help. Ooh. Huh? Oh, you gay.
I'm gay.
That should taste sour.
Cranberry. It's good for you. Make the juices taste good.
You ain't get no hamburger. You got all pepperoni.
Stop it. Lord.
Water.
Ooh.
Damn. Bet you hot.
Ooh.
Would you rate this food? Would you rate it?
10.
But yeah, just to end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And I go ahead and watch our new intro. Well, my mama new intro because her channel. And yeah, this food was good. It was just, excuse me, it was a little hot, but see how she was acting. She old, so that's why she can't eat.
I ain't old. I better eat this one chicken. Y'all want to eat this little chicken, this last chicken?
Do it.
I got spit on my face. I don't know.
Do it.
I don't know. Ooh.
You better not do this shit. I'm cool down. She cheated. She got one more chicken in there.
That's it. That's it. What you see? Ooh, I can't even say it. I said, I said, you want me to sing? Ooh.
Come on, you talking. I'm trying to wipe your lips.
I say I want to see you eat the last chicken. Eat the last chicken. Boy. Oh my God. Oh.
It's gonna be on fire tonight, boy.
I put my pajamas in a minute. Gonna lay in bed, watch me something good on TV.
I can't believe you ate all the pepperoni. You ain't eat all, but look at this. You know, I don't eat hamburger.
Oh, it's just, I only ate one pepperoni.
Bro.
Yeah, you ate that.
Bro, we gotta be watching this video.
I only ate one pizza.
Oh.
Ooh, I'm full.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe,
I'm almost done.
and we out. You see? She lost. I bet 8 months. But don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to like,
comment and subscribe.
and we out.
Share.
Peace and
I
you.
ate it all though.
Told your mama you were gonna see better days. I'm in the studio working every day.